welcome to all who are watching these videos. In this video, I am explaining the pair of straight lines MZ problems, and this is the video number 4. And in the description, I am giving the practice problems PDF. So all of you once open the PDF and solve those questions also. And those are also very important problems. And the students who will follow these videos will definitely get very good marks in the coming MCET examination. So all of you watch the videos, make the notes, practice the problems. Okay, let us start the class. Now this is the sum number 26. The question is the equation of the bisectors of the angles between the two straight lines 2x square minus 3xy plus y square is equal to 0. What is the question? The equations of the bisectors of the angles. We want the angular bisectors to this equation. The equations of the bisectors of the angles. Angular bisectors of this equation. Now what is the formula for finding the angular bisectors? The formula is h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. This is the formula for finding the angular bisectors of the given equation. Bisectors of angles of the given equation. Okay. Now replacing the values. What is h value? 2h is equal to minus 3. That is h is equal to minus 3 by 2. Into x square minus y square is equals to a is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 into xy, that is minus 3x square plus 3y square is equal to 2xy. So the answer is 3x square plus 2xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. And that is the last option. Okay, just simply replacing the values in the formula to get the equations of the angular bisectors. That's all. Next question, sum number 27. The equations of the pair of bisectors of the angle between the pair of lines 3x square plus xy plus by square is equal to 0 is x square minus 14xy minus y square is equal to 0. Then what is b value? So what is the data here? The equations of the angular bisectors of this equation is equal to x square minus 14xy minus y square. So the angular bisectors of this equation is given. We have to find the b value. Actually, what is the angular bisectors formula? Angular bisectors is equal to formula h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. This is the angular bisectors formula. So first we have to form the angular bisectors equations by using this formula. But already given that these are the angular bisectors. Now comparing these two equations, then we can get the b value. Okay, that is the concept. So one equation is given and the angular bisectors of this equation is also given. Now we have to find the b value. So first of all, we have to find the angular bisectors of the given equation by using the formula and comparing these two equations. Okay, so what is h value? 2h is equal to 1 here. That is h is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into x square minus y square is equals to a minus b. A is equal to 3, b is equal to b. That is 3 minus b into xy. Means the equation is x square minus y square is equal to 6 minus 2b into xy. That is x square minus of 6 minus 2b into xy minus y square is equal to 0. Writing the xy term to this side. Now this is the given equation, this is the obtained equation. Just taking the comparison in these two equations, x square minus y square. Now what is xy quotient here? Minus 14. What is xy quotient here? Minus 6 minus 2b. Now equating these two values to get the b value. Okay, just I am equating these two values. Therefore 14 is equal to 6 minus 2b. That is 2b is equal to minus 8. Therefore the value of p is equal to minus 4. That's all. This is the answer, and which is the second option. Okay. Next question, sum number 28. If the lines x square plus 2 plus k into xy minus 4y square is equal to 0 are equally inclined to the coordinate axis, then what is k value? Very easy question. The lines are equally inclined to coordinate axis means we take that xy coefficient is equal to 0. H is equal to 0. That is 2 plus k is equal to 0. Then the value of the k is equal to minus 2. That's all, and that is the second option. Now the next question, sum number 29. If a into x minus 1 whole square plus 2h into x minus 1 into y minus 2 plus b into y minus 2 whole square is equal to 0 has one angular bisector is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equal to 0, then what is the other angular bisector? So here one equation is given, one angular bisector is given, we want the second angular bisector. Already in the yesterday video I told you that the angle between the angular bisectors is always is equal to 90 degrees. The angle between the angular bisectors is always equals to 90 degrees. That is, angular bisector is nothing but the perpendicular equation of the first equation. Now what is the perpendicular equation to this equation? 3x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0. Okay, perpendicular equation to this one is nothing but the second angular bisector. So what is the perpendicular equation? 3x minus 2y plus k is equal to 0. Now how to find the k value here? Observe here, in the given equation we have one point. What is the point? 1, 2. A into x minus x1 whole square, y minus y1 whole square. That is, clearly one point is also given from the pair of straight line, that is x comma y is equal to 1, 2. Now replacing that point here, that is 3 minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Then the value of k is equal to 1. Therefore the second angular bisector equation is equal to 3x minus 2y plus 1 is equal to 0, and that is the second option. That's all. Next problem, sum number 30. The pair of the straight lines h into x square minus y square plus pxy is equal to 0 bisects the angle between the pair of lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Then the value of the p is equal to. So given that the equation, the pair of the lines h into x square minus y square plus pxy is the bisects the angle between the lines. That is, given that this is the angular bisectors of the pair of straight lines ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. Pair of angular bisectors of the given equation. So given that this is the pair of angular bisectors of the given equation, but already we know that what is the angular bisectors of this equation? H into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Already we know that the formula angular bisectors is equal to this equation. But in the question given that this is the angular bisectors equation, that is, these two equations represent the same angular bisectors, that is h into x square minus y square minus of a minus b into xy is equal to 0. This is the formula, this is the given equation. Now just to taking the comparison, then what is xy quotient here? Minus of a minus b, and xy quotient is equal to p here. Therefore p is equal to minus of a minus b. Therefore the value of the p is equal to b minus c. That's all. This is the answer, and which is the second option. Okay. Next problem, sum number 31. If x square minus y square is equal to 0 and lx plus 2y is equal to 1 form an isosceles triangle, then what is n value? So given that these two equations form an isosceles triangle, so here we have one formula, that is, if the equations ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 and lx plus my plus n is equal to 0 form an isosceles triangle, then the condition is h into L square minus m square is equal to a minus b into Lm. This is the formula. H into L square minus m square is equal to a minus b into Lm when the given equation form an isosceles triangle. So clearly here given that the given equations form an isosceles triangle, that is replacing the values in this condition. Okay, what is h value? There is no xy term in the given pair of straight line, that is h is equal to 0. And what are L comma m values? L is equals to L, m is equal to 2. That is L square minus 4 is equals to a minus b, that is 1 minus of minus 1, 1 plus 1, 2 into Lm, that is L into 2, that is 0 is equal to 4L. Therefore the value of L is equal to 0. That's all. That is L is equal to 0 means that is the last option. Okay. Next question, sum number 32. If the two pair of lines 2x square plus 6xy plus y square is equal to 0 and 4x square plus 18xy plus by square is equal to 0 or equally inclined, then what is b value? So equally inclined means the two equations have the same set of the angular bisectors, that is angular bisectors of the first equation is equal to angular bisectors of the second equation. Angular bisectors of the first equation is equal to angular bisectors of the second equation. Now what is the formula for finding the angular bisectors first? Angular bisectors is equal to h into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. Okay. This is the formula for finding the angular bisectors. So first we have to take the angular bisectors of the first equation and to the second equation. By equating those values, then we get the value of the b. Okay. So first taking the angular bisectors of the first equation, that is h into x square minus y square. H is equal to 3. 3 into x square minus y square is equals to a minus b. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. A minus b into xy. Now taking the angular bisectors to the second equation, that is h into x square minus y square. H is equal to 9. 9 into x square minus y square is equals to a minus b. 4 minus b. 4 minus b into xy. Okay. Now to form the same values here, just I multiply this equation by 3. That is 9 into x square minus y square is equal to 3xy. Now we compare these two values. 4 minus b is equal to 3. Then b is equal to 1. Therefore, the value of b is equal to 1 and that is the first option. Next question, sum number 33. The pair of lengths 2x square plus 3xy plus 5y square is equal to 0 and 4x square plus 21xy plus 25y square is equal to 0 are. So here some options are given. The options are mutually perpendicular, equally inclined to the axis, equally inclined to each other. Each pair bisects the angle between the other. So to find the relation between them, first of all we have to take the angular bisectors of the given equation. Okay. First of all, we have to find the angular bisectors of the given equation. What is the formula for finding the angular bisectors? H into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b into xy. A minus b into xy. So first I have to take the angular bisectors of the first equation. What is h value in the first equation? 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b is equal to minus 3. Minus 3xy. Now I take the 3 cancellation from this equation, then I get x square minus y square by 2 is equal to minus xy. Okay, these are the angular bisectors of the first equation. Now I take the angular bisectors of the second equation. H into x square minus y square, that is 21 by 2 into x square minus y square is equal to a minus b. 4 minus 25, that is minus 21x1. Again cut the number 21 here, then we get the answer x square minus y square by 2 is equal to minus xy. So these are the angular bisectors of the second equation. These are the angular bisectors of the first equation, and observe here these two values are equal. So answer is the third option, equally inclined to each other, since the angular bisectors of the two equations are equal. That's all.